your head knocking till it can no more provide the way that you like. If you'd rather chill, we could set the tone. Cuddle on up, we'll massage your toes. You got it, the way that you like it. We'll be that cool whip on your radio. Be the cherry sauce dripping from the stereo.
I sure love flowers. Me too. Oh, we have a lot in common. Yes, we also have wings. Oh, awesome. I wonder what else can we see from this? I like anything that gives you a choice, you know? Choices make a better world. This time, I want to cut 2 hearts instead of 1. I'm going to do the 2 dots because that's the one that works better for me. And I'm going to go up, around, and down. See? Okay. 2 hearts. And so those 2, I'm just going to attach here. Let's get going with the bee. Okay, so I'm going to use our bill envelopes. And see, this is the stuff that we get in the mail. It's delivered to you for free, so why not use it? Let me try the J way so that, here you go. This is what we do, and then we're going to cut this part, and we have our wings. And what would be a conversation between a butterfly and a bee? Let's find out. How are you doing today? I sure love flowers. Oh, I will like flowers too.
So when I do this, I'm gonna go, ka, 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 okay? And sit in it like this, make it real loose. It's rap, it's not ballet. We don't wanna be stiff, okay? So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sit and sit. Moving up. Faster, moving up. 5, 6. Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, let's go in. Okay.
Let's pick a simple sentence like, what are you doing? Okay, so tell me how you feel when I come into the scene like this. What are you doing? What kind of feelings did I show when I said that? Yeah, maybe some disappointment, some sadness. I took a side before I said it. My posture was kind of hunched over. My eyebrows were scrunched together, so I looked kind of sad. Those are all different ways that I use my body to communicate things, even though I was just asking a simple question, what are you doing? So tell me what you think, what emotions you see when I do it this time, all right? What are you doing? That time was really different.
You can do this with your speech at home. You can add beats in with these 2 lines to show when you want to change an emotion, and you can add a different emotion to every sentence that you're saying. I'm going to read our speech to you using all of our different emotions so you can see all of that in action. Okay? I have a dream that one day no one will be hungry here. That day, everyone will smile from ear to ear. Today, our people are falling like flies. But one day, our hopes and dreams will finally fly.